A while back, a friend confessed something that broke my heart. She was afraid to walk down the stairs in her own home. Not because she was old, but because her legs had lost so much strength that every step felt risky. Sadly, her story isn't rare. Millions of people over 50 face the same struggle. And it's not just about weakness, it's about losing the freedom to move with confidence. But here's the truth, you can turn it around. You don't need a gym membership, fancy equipment, or hours of exhausting workouts. Today, I'm going to share 5 simple, joint-friendly exercises you can do right at home to rebuild strength, improve balance, and feel steady on your feet again. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a bonus tip that can help you see results even faster. And if you're ready to take back your strength and independence, tap the like button, hit subscribe, and let's get started. Exercise 1. Glute bridge, your back and posture saver. Lie comfortably on your back, knees bent and feet flat on the floor about hip width apart. Bring your heels close enough that your fingertips can just brush them. This setup ensures your glutes will fire the way they're meant to. Now, dig your heels into the floor like you're trying to push it away from you. Slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling, peeling your spine off the ground one vertebra at a time. Move with control, don't rush. When you reach the top, your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Here's the secret to making this move work. At the very top, squeeze your glutes hard, like you're trying to hold a coin between them. Hold that squeeze for 20 seconds, breathing steadily before lowering your hips down with control. Why it works? Weak glutes are one of the hidden causes of lower back pain, poor posture, and wobbly movements. The glute bridge strengthens not just your glutes, but also your hamstrings and lower back, the posterior powerhouse that keeps you upright, pain-free, and stable. The stronger this chain of muscles gets, the easier walking, bending, and stair climbing will feel. Over time, you'll notice your back feels supported, your hips stay looser, and your legs have more push in every step. Exercise 2. Forward lunge, the everyday power move. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, chest lifted, and shoulders relaxed. Step forward with one leg, landing softly on your heel. Bend both knees until they form neat 90-degree angles. Your front knee stacked above your ankle, your back knee hovering just off the ground. Keep your core tight like you're bracing for a gentle punch in the stomach. Push through your front heel to drive yourself back to the starting position. Do 5 to 10 reps per leg. Lunges work nearly every major lower body muscle: quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves, all while forcing your balance to wake up and work hard. This kind of stability training is gold for real life. Walking on uneven ground, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries suddenly feels more secure and confident. As you get stronger, you'll notice your stride feels smoother, your legs fatigue less, and your body moves with a quiet power. Exercise 3. Resting squat. Your ancestors used to squat daily, not just in the gym, but to eat, talk, and work. This resting squat is nature's built-in stretch and strength move. Start with your feet slightly wider than your hips, toes turned gently outward. Lower yourself slowly into a deep squat, keeping your heels planted, your chest upright, and your spine straight. Go only as deep as you can without discomfort. Over time, you'll get lower. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing slowly. You'll feel your hips loosen, your ankles become more flexible, and your core and legs steadily working to keep you steady. This one simple position does triple duty. It opens up tight hips, improves ankle mobility, and strengthens your legs. Plus, the constant balance challenge activates your core, meaning better stability when you walk, bend, or reach. The more time you spend here, the more natural and pain-free your movements will feel. Exercise 4. Wall squat hold. Endurance for everyday life. Stand with your back against a sturdy wall, feet about 2 feet forward. Slowly slide down until your knees bend to a perfect 90 degrees, like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Your thighs should be parallel to the ground, and your weight should stay in your heels. Pull your belly in gently to engage your core, keep your back pressed against the wall, and breathe steadily. Hold for 30 seconds without letting your knees cave in. Unlike regular squats, this is an isometric exercise. Your muscles are firing without moving. That constant tension builds muscle endurance in your quads, glutes, and core. Endurance means you can stand longer, walk farther, and move through your day without your legs feeling heavy. Whether it's shopping, playing with grandkids, or standing in a long line, you'll feel the difference. Exercise 5. Bulgarian split squat. The balance builder. Stand about 2 feet in front of a sturdy chair, bench, or step. Place one foot behind you on the seat, keeping the other planted firmly on the ground. Lower your body slowly until your front thigh is parallel to the ground, keeping your front knee above your ankle, never past your toes. Press through your front heel to rise back up. Do 5 to 10 reps per side, moving with control. This move trains single leg strength, balance, and stability, 3 things that protect you from falls and knee pain. It works your quads, glutes, and hamstrings harder than almost any other bodyweight exercise, all while forcing your balance muscles to stay sharp. The payoff? Easier stair climbing, more powerful walking, and legs that can handle life's challenges without hesitation. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to start rebuilding your strength, this is it. Every day you wait is another day your muscles weaken, your balance fades, and your confidence slips away. But the good news? You can change that starting today. Even if you only commit 5 minutes a day, your future self will thank you. Imagine a month from now, climbing stairs without gasping for breath, walking with a spring in your step, and feeling your legs carry you with power and stability. That transformation starts with the first step you take right now.
So, if you're ready, hit that like button. Subscribe for more no-nonsense over 50 fitness tips and drop a comment saying I'm in, so I know you're taking action. We're in this together, so stay strong, keep moving, and I'll see you in the next one.